Well, what we call household air pollution, which is the pollution that comes from solid fuels used for cooking, that's biomass and coal and crop residues, as more and more health research has been done in many countries around the world, and the new assessments are that it causes about 4 million premature deaths a year. Some assessments are a bit larger, some are a little smaller, but that's roughly the average. And that consists not only of the pollution inside the household environment, but also, well, if you think about it, pollution may start in the kitchen, but it goes downwind and becomes part of general outdoor air pollution. And in some countries, that's a very significant part of outdoor air pollution. Estimates for India are 25 to 50% of all outdoor air pollution comes from household stoves. China, it's 30%, something like that. So obviously you can't deal with it. You can't fix outdoor air pollution either in these countries unless you get rid of burning dirty fuels. Women tend to do most of the cooking in the world. It's true everywhere, and so they get the highest exposures in the kitchen. And women tend to be the caregivers for young children, so the young children are likely to be with their mothers and get high exposure. And it's obviously a problem of poverty, so yes, income is an issue. In fact, it's almost one-to-one with poverty. Lots of new families are using LPG and other clean, particularly LPG, but other clean fuels, electricity and natural gas. Hundreds of millions of people have started using it now that didn't used to use it. So in that sense, there's been a lot of success, but not enough. I make the distinction between trying to make the available biomass clean, a difficult job actually, and then trying to make the clean available. Also a difficult job, but a different job. We don't have to worry about the LPG being clean, but we do have to find a ways for people to afford it and to provide the infrastructure for distribution and so forth. People are familiar with one form of burning biomass, that's tobacco, and the health effects from that. It's the same health effects. Chronic lung disease, lung cancer, heart disease, in children, pneumonia. I'm spending as much time as I can in India, although I live in California, because the Indian government is promoting LPG in a very pioneering and creative way, and they would like to triple access to LPG by the early 2020s, and then they're on a path to do that.